Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have already installed Google Tag Manager, then the interface may be overwhelming to you. So in the video, we will discuss about Google Tag Manager interface, and after the video, you will know actually what is Google Tag Manager and how key Google components are work together. So in the top dashboard, today we will actually focus on the workspace. So if you logged in your Google Tag Manager account, then you will be landed on the workspace. So actually, I will tell you about the workspace. So why workspace is very important in Google Tag Manager. Basically, workspace is used to do for if there is multiple teams working on a different workspace, not overwriting each other. That's why workspace is used, and we will actually stick with the default workspace. You can see here, this is default workspace, and on the top menu you can see this is the Google Tag Manager ID. Here you can find, and beside this the preview mode. You can tell this is the superpower of testing tools. That means all of the works you will do, you can test through the preview mode, and debug the tools, and see if you are confident and everything is working well. Then you can just submit and publish the container. So just a overview. I will see how actually preview mode works. So if I click on the preview, so this is the interface when I click on the preview mode, and if I just copy the website URL and put it here and then connect, then I can see that my website is already connected, and I can see all of this thing here. So right now it will looks like very cozy thing. So in the end of the video you have a good idea about this. So we'll discuss in deep about the preview mode later. And this is the submit. So that means once you submit, it will be calculated as a version. Just beside workspace there is a version, and in the left side menu bar you can see there is overview. So in the overview we can see the description, editing or live version. You can see this is version 15 is live and modified in 5 days ago, and all of the thing what I have done, that is already tracked here. So I can easily control the version, or I can go back easily to another version in the previous version easily. So it will be very understandable to control all of the text things. And the second thing here is tax. So tax is actually the actions. Actually we can call the actions. That means if you want to track a click, then there need a tag. With the click tracking, the tag will collect some parameters and send to it to the client, and client will collect it. And the second one is triggers. So trigger is very important thing. Actually the tags, when the tags will be send the data, is the condition. We can call this trigger is the condition for your tags. So when you as example the click tracking, so which click you want to track, is it specific one click, or you are trying to click you are trying to track all the clicks. So here in the triggers, we will actually set the condition or when the tax will be fired. So I think it's clear for you. And the third one is the variables. So actually variables are, this is conditional. That means variables can be a different type. Basically, we segregated these variables in two type. One is a built-in variables. That means Google Tag Manager will give us some variables, that is the Google Tag Manager developer teams created these variables, and these are built-in variables. And other will be user defined variables. That means we can track the variables in different ways, many different ways. So here you can see some user defined variables that I have created previously. So we will also learn how to create user variables. And this is the built-in variables. You can see here click classes or many more things from many things here. And third one is the folder. So you can just keep all of your works if you have a large enterprise website and you are tracking many things. So if you don't make it folders, then it will be looks very unorganized. To organize the tax triggers, everything, we can use folders. And the final one is templates. So templates are actually the template, something that the built-in or built-in created for some uses, like some you need to send a event id with every event when you are doing some server side tracking. So you can add a template, event id template in your workspace and use it. Or you can tell Facebook conversion API. For conversion API, many organizations or individuals create templates. So you can use this template to make your works easy. So actually, this is the core thing here for the interface of this Google Tag Manager. Right now version ID is 15 is running, and it's published on 29/10/2015. So this is the version control. And in the admin section, we can see in Google Tag Manager hierarchy. There is two things. One is account label. So this is account label. So if you put on plus icon, then you can see there is a create account. So if you click on this plus icon, then you will create a new account. If you have a multiple business, so you can create a multiple account. But if you have a one business and multiple teams, then you can create multiple containers. In the container section, you can see, if you click on this plus icon, then you can create the containers. So account level and container level in both have account setting, and you see the container setting. So account setting in the account setting, you see a very simple thing, that actually we give the information during creating this Google Tag Manager account. And same thing for container IDs. Same thing, this is see the container ID name and targeted platform. This is web, but we can make it for server side, or we can make it for app like iOS. And account activity, same here. Account activity, you see activities is user ID, then activity, what type, and the name and date. This is user activity. And user management, this is very important. If enterprise level business account of business owners can manage the account level permission. So here you can just click on the plus icon, and then you can add user or user group. So here click on here, and then if you want to just put the email ID here and invite, so here you can put the account permission label. So any label you can just put a tick mark. Administration level actually needed, so he can do anything in account. He can change, create tag, publish tag, everything they can do. Users can only basic account information they can see. So container permission also, you see here have container permissions. So just here send the invitation, he will get an invitation. So don't save. And same thing in the container level user setting, you can give access to any users in container level. Same thing here in container permissions, you can just click on the plus icon, and same as add user, give the email id and give the permission label. So there are four levels. The higher level is publish. So if you give him access to publish level, then he can create tag, triggers, variables, and publish everything. And uh, approve, so can create container version. Edit level, that can create workspace, edit tag, triggers, variable. And read only can view tag, triggers, and variables. So this is actually thing for Google Tag Manager. And install Google Tag Manager, same thing. From here you can see your Google Tag Manager script, that also available in the interface in top menu bar. And there is import container and export container. So these two things we will discuss in another video. And external account link approve, this is not actually it's also important, but right now we will not discuss this thing because this is advanced level. In the later video we may cover this one. Like same thing for environment container notifications is the same thing, only you will see the notification here. And environments, you see this is the live version. So what environment name that is live or latest. And container notification, you can see if there is any notification. Setting here, tag coverage, this is a good thing. You can see actually how much pages are tagged and included pages not tagged or no recent data, everything you can see from here. So this is a very important thing if you have a large amount of pages. And Google Tagway, so this is a very new thing Google have introduced. Here you can see Google Tag Gateway, restored data. So if you use content delivery network, then it's great to help drive conversion, uplift, and minimize third-party interaction from your website. So this thing we will discuss in later another video. We just discuss it and give a simple description about the Google interface. Hope you have liked this video. So if you like our channel, please subscribe us. We will come back with more new and advanced level videos on Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Google Ads, Meta, Facebook Meta Conversions, Facebook Business Manager, many more things. So stay with us. Thank you.